Hello everybody. We are in Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. Police station right there. I'd better not be videoing them. They don't like that. And what we're looking at is the Milwaukee Road train station. Doesn't seem to be any tracks anymore, but apparently they came right through here. If you can see. Give a little overview. Somewhat of a little dead part of the town. There's a lot more going on the other side. So looks like there were tracks here. I don't know much about this. This Milwaukee Road is a railroad, no longer around. I guess this is their Chamber of Commerce. Looks like part of the freight house. Been around. The fieldstone foundation. Neat. Cloudy. 70, but humid. And there you go. We're doubting where we were. This won't be open, and it is used for offices now. So, only on the outside. Quite the construction, though. Look how thick those walls are. Let's see if there's anything inside going on. Bunch of cobwebs. Nope, can't see much. Registry, historic places. So we'll take a walk around the grounds here. There's a really neat old library, I guess. Take a look at that too. Some of the details. There is a name for the architectural style. I don't know it. Yeah, this building here. Take a walk out onto apparently Main Street, and they do have a caboose. So here is the end of the station. So we had a fireplace, furnace, obviously. Looks like it's in good condition. We'll go take a look at the caboose in a minute. A lot of these stations have been saved. Used for different things. So I'm going to then turn around here and go take a look at that caboose. Here's part of their freight house. They've even got an old freight cart. I believe this freight part was added on, probably not much after, but the original station is probably just that. Take a quick look at this. Take your stuff onto the train, take it off, push it down to the road, put it on a truck. Let's go take a look at the caboose. Detail in those eaves. Copper downspouts too. They don't make them like they used to. Tracks must have crisscrossed. This must have been quite busy back in the day. Freight coming through, passenger. Yeah, the police station is right there. We're not gonna put them on camera. They don't like that. It's not against the law, but yeah. So cabooses used to be on the end of the trains. If you're old enough to remember that, I am. The conductor, the boss of the train, the brakeman would be in here. It was useful at the beginning of trains because you can get out in the middle of nowhere, and this is sort of like your little house. You know, so you can pause that. They restored it in 2007. Take a look. Thrall. That's what it is mentioned. Built 1956. They were replaced. They don't really need. There's only 2 people on a train now, and they're trying to reduce that to 1. So you have a conductor and an engineer. The brakeman was very useful. He could do a lot on the train. If there's problems, he could get out and look and stuff, or like an extra hand. We have a mannequin in there, so don't be alarmed. It's no one in there. All metal. They call this, I'm not sure what they call this, bay window. That's it. So what, before there were roller bearings, these trucks had, see if I can lift that, yeah, a little bit. That would be, that's the end of the axle. And it ran on bushings. You put rags in there and fill them up with oil. That was your lubrication. You can't run anything like this now on the big railroads. So what happened is that oil would dry up and those rags would start on fire, called a hot box. The brakeman probably, or the conductor, would watch out the side to look for smoke. Now they have detectors that can actually see the heat of the wheels, and if they have anything too hot, they can alert the engineer. Obsolete now. And, there were certainly hot box fires. It was a necessity. Another plaque. The old knuckle coupler. B end. We'll climb up and take a look inside. It's not open. But yep, these were everywhere. Every train had one on the end. Now there's a device. That little box with a red light. See if that even picks up. I can't tell. They had a oil-fired heater in there. Truck's overhauled 1980. And also something I noticed before we climb up and just look through the, well, I can't look through that window. There's a generator here for electricity. So as the wheels turned, like a big old alternator, it made electricity.